Introducing BOTA, the first ever tea bottle designed exclusively for tea lovers. With its precise temperature control, you can brew your favorite tea anytime, anywhere. Plus, using the BOTA is extremely simple and easy. Pour water into the bottle, add tea to the steeping chamber, lock it, and plug it into an electrical outlet. Set your desired steeping temperature and watch it quickly heat up. Now unlock, tilt, and pour water into the steeping chamber and let it steep for 3 minutes. The BOTA has an advanced tea foam filtration technology that filters out the foam that emerges during the boiling and steeping process. Since this foam contains bitter compounds, when it's filtered out, the tea is even more delicious. Now unlock and watch as the water drains into the bottle, and you're all set to sip this delicious tea. This bottle is beautiful and super functional with the ultimate design. The BOTA has a double stainless steel wall plus vacuum wall that keeps your beverage hot for more than 12 hours. Plus, the separate steeping chamber allows for more tea extraction, preserving antioxidants and ensuring a consistent and delicious taste, unlike traditional steeping methods. Every tea lover needs a BOTA to relish their favorite brew anytime, anywhere. Don't miss out on 27% off. Visit carrybota.com to claim yours today.